I don't know why we feel we need the attention of others to feel like we are complete. You're not supposed to be the one constantly doing the chase. That's what we're desperately in need of the attention. You just wanted somebody to have sex with them. Things like this tend to cheapen you after they've had sex with you. If you're within this age range, I would like you to know that please stop forcing the relationship. Recently, I was among this group of teenagers for a while, right, during a training, and I noticed something which didn't go down well with me, and it's that some young ladies were forcefully, sort of, not forcefully, but they were forcefully trying to get the attention of guys around them, of the men, or the young men in the house, young boys in the house. And I was wondering that why is that happening? You could see it. They would come around, they will forcefully hug them, throwing their body parts on them and just trying to seek attention, wondering what is happening. What is happening? So that's why I said I'm going to address this. I don't know why we feel we need the attention of others to feel like we are complete. It's not supposed to be so. To the extent that it's looking that you are desperate, you want the attention of these people, you want the attention forcefully. It's not meant to be so. You're not supposed to be the one constantly doing the chase. Not even, in fact, there's no need for a chase at this point. Just allow things happen naturally. You're not supposed to be the one trying to get the attention. You're not supposed to be the one trying to seek the validation. You want the validation. Sometimes I wonder why my gender, why we do things like this. Why? I don't know. So I watched it. I just noticed that they were just young girls. Young, beautiful girls. That normally men should be the one chasing after them. But I was wondering, why were they the one doing the chasing? I'm not saying as a lady, a mature lady, you can see somebody that you like and you say, okay, yes, I like this. But no. This group of girls were forcefully doing this, like they were desperately were desperately in need of the attention of these guys. And I wonder, okay, why? Was it that were they horny? Or what? Or they just wanted somebody around them, or they just wanted somebody to either smooch them or touch them. I don't know. Or they just wanted somebody to have sex with them. Because if it is a mature lady, right? Or an emotionally stable person that understands how these things work, I don't think it should be so obvious that the whole world knows that this lady wants, or this group of ladies are chasing after these boys. So dear you watching me right now, please, we are people of high values, right? Things like this tend to cheapen you. And trust me, when I even looked at the guys around, they were just laughing. And some of the guys, one thing about guys, after they've had sex with you, they will go around sharing it among themselves that, yes, that girl is another person I've taken down. Even the guys, they noticed it, and they were welcoming, they were enjoying it. They were enjoying it, right? Most likely, maybe when they have sex with the girl, it's all over. But I don't know. I don't want to believe that. This saying that men say that ladies are cheap, I don't want to believe it. I believe that ladies are beautiful, they are strong, they are people of high values, right? They are people with great emotional stability. They are people who know what they want and they know how to go about it. But going about it in a way that it looks desperate and forceful is a no-no from me. So please, if you find yourself doing this, please, I'll beg you, stop. And I don't know what is making you do this. Most likely you need to heal from something, maybe from a trauma or from a past situation, or maybe it's even peer pressure. Because at this point, I feel like because they are in this kind of group, they're like a group of friends, and that the other person is doing the same thing, and this person is doing the same thing, they'll most likely just feel like, oh, it's the normal, right? Everybody's doing it, there's no big deal about it. Apologies, I've been trying to adjust the lighting. So, if you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like to book a paid consultation with me, use the link in the description box below to book a paid session with me. Additionally, if you like to learn French in 3 months on your own, I have a 3-month French planner for you. This planner contains videos, app links to and activities that can help you learn French on your own and at your own pace. Use the link in the show box to your advantage. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye for now.